Finally I managed that it found a parking spot. It identified it, and let's make it work for me. This is scary. Don't scratch the wheels, please. This is doing it fast. Wow, the car is possessed. That was crazy. Okay, I need to redo that. So if I leave the parking spot, can I do that? I don't dare to try. Shit, that car was possessed. So we need to be kind of quick before somebody takes this parking spot. Okay, let's do it again. That shit was crazy. Okay, we'll just drive like this. Up to 30 it works, and P is enabled. Oh no, it wasn't. It was, yeah, for some reason I'm not sure how really to activate it. I mean, sometimes it finds it, sometimes it doesn't find it. So this switches on P, see here, it identified it. It wasn't clicked in there. Yeah, this is okay. Was only a checkpoint. Okay, now I do like this then, and now I want to be parking here. Yes. Okay, let's go. This is so scary. Oh. Okay. This is crazy. Let's see. How it works. Yeah, it didn't crash into the bumper, and not here, and very nice distance from the curb as well. That was impressive. Wow. One thing I liked with the comfort access is that it lights up when you approach it. Or on the driver's side it did. Maybe you need to be further away. I'll try.